Dr. Prakash Khushiramani, a practicing dermatologist at Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Today we are going to discuss about some hair care tips and about certain myths associated with hair loss. Hair loss, what's normal and when to be concerned. There are 1 lakh hair follicles in our scalp, and according to the American Academy of Dermatology, it's totally normal to lose about 50 to 100 hairs a day. We have three phases of our hair cycle: growing phase, shedding phase, and resting phase. 90% of the hairs are in growing phase, 9% of the hairs are in resting phase, and 1% of the hairs are in shedding phase. You should consult your dermatologist if you are concerned about how much hair you are losing every day. A dermatologist will be able to assess whether your hair loss is normal or you require any medical line of treatment. Healthy hair care begins with learning how to wash hair without damaging them. Wet hair and scalp with lukewarm water. Shampoo works best on wet scalp and hair. Pour a quarter size drop of shampoo in the palm of your hand. Massage the shampoo gently into the scalp. When shampooing, it's important to wash the scalp rather than the entire length of the hair. Rubbing shampoo into the hair can break hairs, leading to unhealthy looking hair. Rinsing well with lukewarm water washes away shampoo and dirt. Wrap a towel around the wet hair. This helps to absorb the water. Rubbing hair dye with a towel can damage the hair, causing them to break. Use a wide tooth comb. Don't pull the comb through the hairs because that can break the hair. Wash hair with a gentle sulfate free shampoo. Properly detangle your hair. Trim when necessary. Cutting off these excess knots and split ends help retain length of the hairs. There are a lot of opinions, common sayings, and misconceptions about hair loss. It is important to separate the truth from such myths. The most important myth is cutting your hair frequently promotes the hair growth. Actual fact is cutting the hair regularly helps get rid of split ends that can make your hair look better, but it does not promote hair growth. Another myth is stress leads to hair fall. One of the most commonly believed myth is that mental stress can lead to hair fall, but it is not so. It requires excessive stress or trauma like a death in the family or accident, crash dieting, and so on for temporary hair loss like telogen effluvium to occur. So another myth is washing hair with cold water prevents hair loss. Cold water helps in better blood circulation, frizz prevention, and cuticle tightening, but in no way does cold water stop hair loss. Another myth is aging causes hair loss. Actual fact is, though hair loss is common in adults, it can be seen in children as young as 12 years of age as well. This can be due to various factors like lifestyle habits, hereditary, hormonal conditions, etc. Another myth is men are more prone to hair loss than women. The truth is that hair loss is equally common in both men and women. The difference is that for men, hair thinning starts at the crown area and the frontal hairline. For women, it is diffuse over the entire scalp, which make it less apparent. The most common myth is wearing a hat or a cap will make you go bald. The actual fact is there is nothing, this is nothing but a myth. You can wear a hat for 24 hours a day or 7 days a week. It will not cause any hair fall. For causing baldness, the cap would have to be tight enough to pull your hair from the roots, which may not be possible. Thank you.